Now the cloud computing is a model. So what is a model? A model describes how units of computations, memories and communications are organized. So it provides a blueprint for enabling convenient, that it should be easy to use, on demand. On demand means that it should be readily available. Resources can be configured and released whenever required. Should be available over network and to thin or thick clients. To a shared pool of configurable computing resources. Now, here the concept of tenancy will come into picture, that your resources are shared to multiple users so that the cost of accessing those resources is reduced considerably. Rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort, that is, users should be able to configure the resources on their own. Now the 5 essential characteristics, 3 service models and 4 deployment models. So let us talk about these.